If your Acer Predator Helios 300 has been slowing down, acting glitchy, or you just want a completely fresh start, this quick guide will walk you through the safest and easiest way to reset it in 2025. Stick around, because doing this the wrong way can cause issues, but doing it right can make your laptop feel brand new again. Before anything else, make sure the laptop is fully powered off, not in sleep mode, not restarting, completely shut down. This part is important. Now we're going to boot into the recovery menu. To do that, hold down the Alt key and the F10 key together, keep both keys pressed, and while still holding them, tap the power button to turn the laptop on. Don't let go of Alt and F10 until you see the Acer recovery screen appear. Once that loads, you'll be taken straight into the Windows recovery options. Here, select Troubleshoot and then choose Reset this PC. You'll now see two reset choices, and this is where most people get confused. So here's the simple breakdown. If you choose Keep My Files, Windows will remove apps, settings, and system changes, but keep your personal files like photos and documents. This is good if you just want a performance refresh without losing your stuff. If you choose Remove Everything, the laptop gets completely wiped. This is the best option if you're planning to sell it, give it away, or want a 100% clean slate with no leftovers. Pick the option that fits your situation. Confirm your selection and let the reset begin. The process can take some time depending on your setup, and your laptop may restart multiple times. That's totally normal. Just let it finish. Once the reset is complete, your Predator Helios 300 will be restored, running smoother and ready for a fresh start. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you bring your laptop back to life. If you found it useful, feel free to check out more helpful guides like this one.